let's go for second condition. What second condition says? What second condition says? Second condition says it ends with 1. Ends with 1. So ends with 1 means 31 cube. You have to calculate 31 cube. So how to calculate 31 cube? See here. In the previous you were doing like this, 1b, b square, b cube. But here you write like this, b, b cube, b square, b1, b cube, b square, b1. See, this 3 is called b here, b cube 27, b square 9, b 3 and 1. Next 2b square and 2b, 2b square and 2b, that is 27, 9, 3, 1. Next 6 and 18, 6 and 18. So 1, 6 plus 3, 9. Next 9 plus 18, 27, 7. So 2 carry over, 27 plus 2, 29. So 29,791 is the cube of 31. Okay, let me take one more number. Let me take one more number. The number is 21 cube. The number is 21 cube. Again, b cube, b square, b1. Next 2b square and 2b. See, these calculations you have to do in your mind. So b cube means 8, 4, 2, 1, 8 and 4. See here, if you add 1, 6, 12, 1 carry 9. So the answer is 9261. The answer is 9261. If I take a bigger number, for example, I may take 71 cube. So 71 cube, again b cube, b square, b1, 2b square, 2b. So 7 cube 343, 49, 7 square, next 7, next 1, next it is 14, next it is 98, next 1, next 7 plus 4 21, you write 1 here and 2 carry over. Next 9 plus 2 11 plus 8 19, 1 carry over. So 4 plus 1 5 plus 9 14, this 14 you have to add here. So 343 plus 14, 353 plus 4, 353 plus 4, 357, 353 plus 4, 357. So the answer is 3,57,911. So very simple to calculate the cube of the given values. Let's go for the same number. The third condition, let's go for the same number. Okay, third condition, same number. For example, 22 cube, 33 cube, 44 cube, 55 cube, like that. So both are treated as b, both are treated as b. Then your answer is b cube, b cube, b cube, b cube. Next 2b cube, 2b cube, 2b cube, 2b cube. So 2 cube 8, 8, 8, 8. Next 8 to the 16 and 16. So after adding, how much you are going to get? 8, 16 plus 8. What is the answer? 24. 2 carry over, 10 plus 16, 26. 6 is the unit digit. 2 carry over, 8 plus 2, 10. So your answer is 10,648. 10,648. Very simple to calculate. Let me take one more number, that is 55 cube. That is 55 cube. So b cube, b cube, b cube, b cube. Next 2b cube, 2b cube. So how much you are going to get? See here, 5 cube, that is 125, again 125, again 125, again 125. Next 2b cube means 250, 250. So you add. So 125 you write 5 as the unit digit, and next 12 is carry over. So 5 plus 2 7 you write, and in this 12 already you have taken 2, next remainder is 1. So 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 25 that is 38, So this 38 is carry over because already in this part you have taken the unit digit. Next 8 plus 5 13, next 1. Already you have taken the unit digit from this part, only thing is you have to carry next. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 12 16, 16 plus 25 that is 41, 16 plus 25 that is 41. So 125 plus 41, so how much you are going to get? 661. So the answer is 1,66,375, 1,66,375. They may ask you to calculate the cube of a given fraction. Consider the fraction as like this, 3.3 whole cube, 3.3 whole cube. So see here, 3.3 into 10 you do, that is 33. Means what? You have to cube this one also. 33 means 10 cube also you are doing. Okay, see here how to solve this one. Very simple. The same procedure you follow. B cube, B cube, B cube, B cube. Next 2b cube, 2b cube. So b cube means 3 cube, that is 27, 27, 27, 27. Next 2b cube, 2b cube means 27 into 2, that is 54, 54. So now write the unit digit, that is 7, and 2 carry over. So 7 plus 2 9 plus 4 13, 3 is the unit digit and 1 carry over, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8. This 8 has to be carry over here. So now 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 7 19, 9, 1 carry over, 2 plus 1 3 plus 5 8, that 8 has to be carry over here, 27 plus 10 35. So 33 cube is equal to 35,937. But what you have to calculate? 3.3 cube you have to calculate. So 35,937 divided by 10 cube. So how much you are going to get? 35,937 divided by 10 cube means 1000. So which is equal to 35.937. See how simple it is to calculate the cube of a fraction. Okay, 35.937. Okay, let me go with the last condition. The last condition is both are different number. Okay, the last condition, both are different number. The fourth condition, that is the last condition, different number. Different number. So what formula we have to use? So the formula what you have to use is a cube, a square b, ab square and b cube. A cube, a square b, ab square and b cube. Next 2a square b and 2a b square, means the middle part you are doing twice. Middle part you are doing twice. So now you take the two different number, that is 23. You have to calculate 23 cube. You have to calculate 23 cube. See, this 2 is called a and this 3 is called b. So now what you have to do? 2 cube, that is 8. Next 2 square, 4 into 3, 12. Next ab square, 9 2s are 18. Next b cube, that is 27 divided by 12 2s are 24, 18 2s are 36. So now you have to add. So 7 is the unit digit, 2 carry over, 8 plus 2 10 plus 6 16. So 1 carry over, 1 plus 1 2 plus 3 5. So 5 carry over, 5 plus 4 9 plus 2 11. Again 1 carry over, 4. So 8 plus 4 12. So you got 12,167. So very simple to calculate the cube of a different number. Only the thing is you have to remember the formula a cube, a square b, ab square and b cube. Okay, so this is the formula. After that you have to add 2a square b, 2a b square. Okay, let me take a number. Let me take to calculate the fraction, that is 2.4 cube. 2.4 cube. See, 24 you consider, but into 10 you are doing. 24 cube means 10 cube. Means in the end you have to divide it by 10 cube. So what is the formula? See, both are different number. So a cube, next a square b, next ab square, next b cube, divided by 2a square b, next 2a b square. So a cube, that is 2 cube 8, next 2 square 4, 4 4s are 16, next 4 square 16 2s are 32, 4 cube 16 4s are 64, next 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. You have to double this middle part, you have to double. Next, how much you are going to get? 4 is the unit digit, 6 carry over, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12, 2, 1 carry over, 6 plus 4, 10. See, this 10 we have to write here because we have to carry over the 10. So 6 plus 2, 8, next 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 5, this 5 we have to write here. So 8 plus 5, 13. So 13,824 we got, but 2.4 cube is equal to 13,824 divided by 10 cube, that is 13,824 divided by 1000, which is equal to 13.824. 13.824. So very simple to calculate. So now you people have learned how to calculate the cube of a given number. How to calculate the cube of a given number. How to calculate the cube roots of the given number. To know how to calculate the cube roots of the given number, then you should know the values from 1 cube to 9 cube. You should know the values from 1 cube to 9 cube. So see here, 1 cube means 1, next 2 cube means 8, 3 cube means 27, next 4 cube means 64, 5 cube means 125, next 6 cube, that is 216, next 7 cube, that is 343, next 8 cube, that is 512, next 9 cube, that is 729, that is 729. You should know these values very well. Okay, so now let me take an example. Okay, let me take a number. I have to calculate the cube root of those number. Let me take a number. So cube root of 103,823. So cube root of 103,823. So now always from right side towards the left you make a group of 3-digit number. So 823 and 103. So 823, what is the unit digit? 3. So now in this table 3 comes for which number? The unit digit 3 comes for 7. So it is 7. So it is 7. So next 103. 103 comes between 64 and 125. 103 comes between 64 and 125. So which is the smaller number? 4 is the smaller number. Therefore answer is 47. Therefore answer is 47. Okay, let me take one more example. So 175616. So cube root of 175616. So what is the unit digit? 6 is the unit digit. So 6 comes here. So 6 means 6. Okay, 6 cube gives the unit digit of 6. So after taking cube root, you have to get 6. So now 175 comes between 5 and 6. See, 125 and 216. It comes between those two. So 125 and 216. So which is the smaller one? 5 is the smaller one. So 56 is the answer. See how simple it is to calculate. Okay, let me take one more number. 884736. 884736. I have to calculate the cube root of this number. So what is the unit digit? See, I have to make group of 3 numbers. What is the unit digit? 6 is the unit digit. If 6 is the unit digit, then in the answer you are going to get 6 is the unit digit. Next 884. 884 comes between, see here, 10 cube, that is 1000. 10 cube, that is 1000. So 884 comes between 9 and 10. 884 comes between 9 and 10. Therefore the answer is 96. Okay, therefore the answer is 96 because the smaller number is 729 which relates 9 cube. Therefore 96 is the answer. Let me take one more number. 531441. 531441. So now I have to take the cube root. So unit digit is 1. So here you are going to get 1 as the unit digit. So next 531. 531 means it comes between 8 and 9, 512 and 729. So the smaller value is 512 which indicates 8. Therefore 81 is the cube root of 531 and 441. So very simple to calculate, very simple to calculate. So this is the methodology what we use to calculate the cube root of perfect cubic numbers, perfect cubic numbers. So now you have to calculate the cube root for non-perfect cubic numbers, non-perfect cubic numbers. So the formula what you have to use is, 2y plus x divided by 3 into y to the power of 2 by 3. 2y plus x divided by 3 into y to the power of 2 by 3. So cube root of x is equal to 2y plus x divided by 3 into y to the power of 2 by 3. So this is the formula what you have to use to calculate the cube root of non-cubic numbers, non-perfect cubic numbers. For example, consider 66. I have to calculate the cube root of 66. So cube root of 66, the perfect cubic number which is nearest to 66 is what? That is 64. That is 64. So x is called 66 and y is called 64. X is called 66 and y is called 64. So now what do you have to do? 2y plus x divided by 3 into y to the power of 2 by 3. So 2y means 2 into 64 plus 66 divided by 3 into 64 to the power of 2 by 3. So now see here, 2 into 64 means how much you are going to get? 128. So 128 plus 66 divided by 3 into, see here, 64 to the power of 2 by 3 is nothing but cube root of 64 square, cube root of 64 square. So how much you are going to get? See here, 128 plus 66, that is 14, 1 carry over, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9, next 1. So 194 divided by 3 into cube root of 64 into 64, cube root of 64 into 64, that is how much you are going to get? Very simple, see here, 194 divided by 3 into 4 into 4, 3 into 4 into 4. So after simplifying this one, how much you can get? See here, 194 divided by 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So again next, see here, 194 by 48. So 4 4s are 16. See, 194 divided by 48. So 4 4s are 16. So 8 4s are 32. 3 carry over, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19. So 2 is the remainder. Again 0, 0, 0, 0. Next 48. How many times? Again 48 4 times, 192, 192. So 8 you are going to get. So after simplification you are going to get 4.04. So that is the cube root of 66. So this is the formula what you have to use to calculate the cube root of 66. Okay, let me take one more number. Let me take one more number. You have to calculate the cube root of, 25. You have to calculate the cube root of 25. Okay, so which is the perfect cubic number very near to 25? That is 8. So this is called x and this is called y. So what is the formula? 2y plus x divided by 3 into y power 2 by 3, y power 2 by 3. So 2y 16 plus 25 divided by 3 into 8 cube root of 8 square. So how much you are going to get cube root of 8 square? So that is 16 plus 25, 41 divided by 3 into cube root of 8 into 8, that is 2 into 2, that is 2 into 2. So 41 divided by 3 into 2 into 2, 4 3s are 12. So 41 by 12, so 12 3s are 36, 12 3s are 36, next 5 carry over, 12 4s are 48, 12 1s are 12. So 3.41 is the right answer. Till now you have learned how to calculate the cube of the given values, cube roots of the given values, perfect cubic number, non-perfect cubic number. Okay, the very rare case you want to calculate the cube root for the non-perfect cubic number. Okay, in most of the times they are going to give you to calculate the cube root of the perfect cubic number. So not to worry. but only thing is you have to practice each and everything. So in detail we have discussed the concepts regarding the number system. So let's go to solve the problems based on the number system.